right, thinking about that the word Lilybot is the front. So red, forward, green, reverse, and yellow, spin. Let's take a look and see what the code looks like. So here are the two different battery packs. The one in the middle is the plug. That is the one that controls Arduino Uno. The one on the right is the one that controls the motors. Yep, it looks like Spaghetti Zoo inside of there, but it does work. So at the very top, we have a comment, because we always write comments so that you know what your code does. Very important. Then we have all of our hardware connections. We have AN1, AN2, PWM-A for 13, 12, and 11 on the motor controller. PWM-B, bin 2 and bin 1, 10, 9, and 8 on the motor controller for the left and right motors. The green, yellow, and red buttons are attached to pins 7, 6, and 5. The green, yellow, and red LEDs are attached to pins 4, 3, and 2. Then we have a delay amount for our movement. When the sonar was connected, we used this, but since it's not connected anymore, we don't really use those anymore. Inside the setup function, we make the buttons input pull-ups, which attaches a 10K resistor to those. We make the 3 LEDs outputs, and then we always start by making our motor outputs. And then we do a forward with the lights on, a stop with the lights off, in order to confirm that the LEDs and the motors are still working. It's also a great way to test when you have brownout conditions, because if it starts blinking and no movement, that means that your batteries are dying. Then we printed a serial monitor warning that the robot is about to move. And then in our loop that runs forever, if you read the green button, the robot moves forward and the green LED turns on. There's a bit of a delay and then the robot stops. If it's the yellow button, the robot spins. There's a bit of delay and then the robot stops. If it's the red button, the robot moves in reverse. There's a bit of delay and the robot stops. And then finally, all the LEDs are off. I hope this made sense. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay fantastic and come back for more.